In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically tag subscribers in Mailchimp based on where they signed up. Mailchimp is a powerful tool for managing emails and staying connected with your audience, and using tags to segment subscribers can greatly enhance your marketing strategies. Let's dive right in and get you started on creating a seamless automated tagging system. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial to ensure that you're using an account with the necessary permissions to make changes, especially if you're working with an organization's shared account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Audience section. You'll find the option for tags here. Tags are an excellent way to organize your subscribers by different attributes or behaviors, and in this tutorial we're focusing on tagging them based on their sign-up source. Next, click on Create Tag. Here you can name your tag according to the source of the sign-up. For instance, if you're tagging subscribers who signed up through your website, you might name your tag Website Sign-up. Naming your tags descriptively will help you identify them quickly in the future. Now that you have your tag set up, it's time to create some automation magic. Head over to Automations, and within that section look for All Journeys. This is where you can build custom workflows that will automatically apply the tags we've just set up. You'll find an option to build from scratch, which is exactly what we need for this custom setup. Click on that and we will begin configuring the automation steps. This process allows you to tailor the experience to fit your unique needs, ensuring that each subscriber is tagged correctly. Our next task is to set a trigger. In this scenario, you'll want to select the trigger option when someone subscribes to a specific form. This means that every time a new subscriber signs up through a particular form, the automation will be activated and the action we choose will be executed. The final piece of this automation puzzle is adding an action. Here you will select Add a Tag. A menu will appear allowing you to choose the tag you previously created, such as our example, Website Sign Up. When chosen, Mailchimp will automatically assign this tag to everyone who signs up via the corresponding form. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to automatically tag your Mailchimp subscribers based on where they signed up. By using this feature, you can better manage your audience and ensure that your marketing efforts are more targeted and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it equips you to make the most out of your Mailchimp account. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day boosting your marketing strategies.